Is that the 360 one? Are you also recording the wall right now?
Yes, I am.
Okay,
The
cool.
wall might do something. You never know.
I noticed you didn't pull it all the way back.
Nice. Hit an outer target. So that's 1.1 meters.
I just didn't hear.
Oh no, so you aren't loud. Yeah.
Oh!
That went pretty far. It went almost to the second pad.
For your trebuchet.
It was like this much short of the second pad. I might have cut the second bounce.
So now you can move. You can't move this. You can move your head.
Are you trying to hit the target?
We got some fans.
Jack can't catch that. I can't see it.
Yes, sir, Raina, let's go.
Hey, nicely done.
My sister did this last year.
Hit the plate, 0.8 meters. And more importantly, inner plate.
I don't think we should move that much back. I don't think we should move much that that would hit. If I don't leave it all the way.
Right, yeah, so it's all those strategies. You want to go for distance? You want to go for accuracy?
It's all the way. Except
Fourth shot.
where did you go?
Oh,
Back here.
I just went backwards.
It went
right
backwards.
here.
So it went there, so that's
Pull it further
1.2.
back that time.
Okay, I'll do.
No target.
Because you're pulling it, you were
I
pulling
pulled it
it
further.
there, but now that's farther away.
Everybody just come in. This is the Trebuchet event. The students are aiming for launching the candy as far as possible
We got the max
and
points
for
for
hitting the target as many
And we're
times
here
as
for extra
possible.
credit.
Extra credit probably makes up for it.
All the distance. Do you get the distance even if you don't hit it?
You do, yeah.
Alright, yeah, that's good. That was shorter.
This is the fifth shot.
It's hitting the middle though.
Oh, let go early.
I'm actually sweating.
That's the shortest one. How's the food this year?
Yeah, that, we went and then
Make it count.
You say third? Fourth? You're sixth.
How far did you go?
Ooh, that was pretty close. That was close. I think we should just do like a 2 meter forward.
forward.
Oh, sorry, this way. Sorry.
Okay, so you're
The other forward.
1.2 meters. You got one outer target, one inner target.
Or if you're facing this way.
It's hard for me to know without putting it into the spreadsheet.
We moved it back.
Okay, you're welcome. Good job, guys. Put your trebuchet back and let's see. Who is up for? Who's ready to contest the trebuchet? You take somebody testing the trebuchets.
Couplets are awesome. They're really good.
Oh, how to get there?
How is that so
I
much
think we have
further?
to. No.
That was further than last time.
Not at all.
Oh, look at that. It went that far.
This is a random distance every
Last
time.
one. Last one.
We should just go all the way to the edge.
There's no way that's going to be accurate.
We'll see. Is this our last one?
Last one.
That wasn't a launch. There wasn't any
That would make it the
projectile.
last one.
There was some projectile.
It has our power, that's it.
You know, distance. Whoa.
Distance.
If this was one, we would win.
The extra credit for something.
Yeah, exactly. I went backward. Oh man. We're not. I put it really far.
Yeah, learn how to.
So what were the limits when you built it? What,
Well, the materials mostly.
okay.
Is this full of pennies? Is that what's in there?
Yeah, and everything extra we had.
Excellent. Oh, right, you have a set amount of stuff. Right, you want to take a picture of your results?
No.
No, you don't. Okay, there you go. But you got 4 nice guys in your distance. You get farther it goes, the more points you get. So
Should have just done distance. Yeah, we should have focused on
I
distance.
think you were just going for whatever you got.
I mean, we knew it wouldn't be accurate.
Yeah, it was never accurate.
Double the distance.
So am I when they lie. They want to see that.